Hello again, this is Angela Panzer from the Adrian's Memorial Library, and today I'm going to be making quesadillas. I'm going to be making vegetable quesadillas and using leftover vegetables that I have in the refrigerator. I'm going to be sauteing onions, throwing in zucchini, red pepper, and mushrooms. Also going to be using these small tortilla shells and some shredded cheese as well as some canned beans. So first you need to cut up all the vegetables and then we're going to saute them. Here are my vegetables all chopped up and I'm going to saute them in my cast iron pan. You could use any pan that you'd like. I'm going to add some oil. I'm going to let the oil heat up just slightly and then add the onions. And the onions are starting to get sauteed. And I'm going to add in the red pepper and the zucchini. So I'm going to put a top on it just so it cooks up a little faster. Ah, sounds great. I'm going to mix this up. I'm going to add some of my seasonings. I've got some salt. Got pepper. Some grated garlic. I like to add a little bit of chili powder. And I'll add some cilantro. You can put as much in as little as you like for your own taste buds. I'm going to mix that all together. All right, these are looking quite nice. So I'm going to move them over to one side. And then I'm going to put in the mushrooms. Right here. And I'm going to sprinkle a little bit of olive oil on them. Okay, I'm going to let that cook. So I like to do the mushrooms separately from the rest of the vegetables because it's really important that they're cooked. So we want them to be fully cooked. Well, at least that's the way I like them. They are more flavorful that way. And the other vegetables are just sitting on the side. It takes about 5 to 10 minutes to do all of this. Vegetables are done, the mushrooms are done. I'm going to mix those all together. And then I'm going to put on the oven. Because even though you can do this on a frying pan, for a lot of people, I do for my whole family, I will then put it in the oven. I'm going to put it on pretty high, like 400. Because really, all I'm doing is melting the cheese. I'm using these tortilla shells. I'm going to be baking them in the oven at 400 degrees. So it's only going to have to bake for about 5 to 10 minutes. So the way I do it, I fill up a half a shell each of vegetables. And then what I'm going to be doing is folding the shell over the vegetables and the cheese. So once I put the vegetables on the shells, then I'm going to add my beans. You can add as much as or as little as you want. These are just black beans. You could use refried beans, kidney beans, whatever beans you like. And the cheese I'm using is a 4-cheese Mexican blend. It has Monterey Jack, cheddar, asadero, and quesadilla cheese. I happen to like a lot of cheese. Then I'm going to turn it up then you could brush a little bit of olive oil right on your shell and put it right in the oven. I'm going to put my timer on for 10 minutes. All right, here they are, hot out of the oven, all ready to be eaten. You can cut your quesadilla in 3 pieces. You can serve your quesadilla with a little bit of sour cream, some salsa, or pico de gala, or of course guacamole. I don't have any guacamole today, so I'm using actually just some delicious avocado. I hope you enjoy. Bye.